Discover Notta AI Notetaker, a great solution for fast transcription and summarization. This AI tool transcribes, records, and summarizes audio and video content with accuracy. Notta provides high accuracy transcription from files or in real time, ensuring detail. It's perfect for capturing meetings, and it offers summaries and helpful templates. Professionals and students benefit from its use in lectures and interviews. Content creators use Notta to transcribe podcasts and video, streamlining their workflow. To begin, simply record directly or quickly upload your audio or video files. Notta's AI processes content, converting spoken words into accurate and editable text. Review your transcript, easily edit it, and export it in various formats. With support for 58 languages, Notta is global, catering to diverse teams. Notta offers flexible pricing plans so it can suit individual and team needs. Streamline your workflow and enhance productivity today using Notta AI Notetaker now.